Yes, good afternoon.
Good afternoon,
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Okay, how are you? Fine.
ma'am.
Fine, ma'am.
Rain is there? Huh? No.
No, sunny.
Okay, sometimes. Okay. Yes. Aryan, how are you?
Fine, ma'am.
Okay. Nihan, Wasim, please switch on your videos. Sriram, Baja, Noor, Nigel, Devnarayan, please switch on your video. Okay. Where is your friends? Huh? 1 o'clock. Class will start. I don't know. I think after lunch they are sleeping. Maybe. No. Have you continuous class?
Good morning, ma'am.
No. Have you continuous class? No.
Yes, ma'am. We had class till 12:30.
Yeah.
12:30. Morning onwards. Afternoon no class?
Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes.
4:45 to 5:30.
Yeah, 5. This time 5:30 also. Yes. Total how much periods usually you are getting? 4, 5.
4 or 3.
4.
4 or 3?
Monday,
Four.
3.
Ah.
Monday, 3. All others.
Yes. Okay. Yes, switch on. Heza, Dia, Suraja. Oof. I can't call your name.
Namaste, ji.
Yeah, namaste. Where were you, Gauri? We came here before 10 minutes.
Namaste. 10 minutes. Ma'am,
Yeah,
what
we
happened?
started the chapter.
No, I started the starter. First paragraph also.
We finished the first paragraph.
Finish. Just finish. Heza. First paragraph finish.
Ma'am, can you repeat it again?
No. I
Ma'am, you are
compare-
just joking.
Huh? 1 o'clock means 1 o'clock itself.
Oh, ma'am, now it's only 2 minutes.
Not 2 minutes. Anyway, they are coming. I
Oh.
thought they are coming by bus or car. I don't know.
Ma'am,
Usually school bus will be late. Our assembly and everything will be late. Huh? Now all are sitting at home. So 5 minutes before just she opened this. Okay. So please switch on there, Narayan. Switch on. Adjust your camera there, Narayan. Properly. I can't see your face. There.
Ma'am, today you're going to take Lucky Chudia.
Yes, Mole. Lucky Chudia. Take. Don't waste your time. Chapter 2. Chapter 2. Lakh ki chudiya. Lakh ki chudiya. What is the meaning lakh? Lakh. Did you see lakh? Did you
Lakh?
see? Chudiya meaning bangles. Bangles. Chudiya. Chudiya means golden bangles, glass type of bangles.
Ma'am,
Plastic.
lakh means?
Lakh meaning what we'll say now? Shellac. Arak. Arak. Did you know? But a red thing, I think. Like gum. Arak. Usually we are seeing the North Indians, they are making all the time that bangles.
Ma'am,
Like
what is the English word?
shellac also. Shellac.
Ma'am, English word?
English, that I told, shellac. I said, one time I read that one, but a red thing like gum. Arikan, we are using that word, lac, shellac. We ask to your parents, they know. All the time we are using that bangles.
Ma'am, can you
So
tell
did
the
you see
spelling?
Christians, grandmas wearing here one round thing? Here.
Yes.
Inside sometime we'll use that one. Ilac. Clear?
Ma'am, can you tell the spelling of that English word?
SHELLAC. That I saw that. But
Straw.
LAC also I saw that. Lac, correct. Just you type it in Google. You can see that. Red, like a gum. Choleric, Malayalam will say choleric, arik. Just that. Like that they will make bangles, not a glass. Before that they are using that lac, making bangles. Yeah, no, lac ki chudiya. You asked to bang.
Okay, ma'am. Now I
Did you
see.
understand? No, sir? I didn't say before, long days before. Okay. That lac ki chudiya. Just you remember that, yeah, bangles like that. Plastics before that. First, we are seeing plastic, I think, plastic bangles. After that, glass bangles came. Before that, lac ki chudiya. Handmade. They are making this lac chudiya with a hand. Okay, not a machine. Machine you get before. Clear, no? That person's story.
Okay.
Yes, Hessa.
Ma'am,
Yes.
which chapter?
Page chapter 2, page number 5. Bangles make, we will goldsmith like that. You know, bangle making person, what will say? Manihar. Manihar. Clear, no? We will study and don't write that. Okay. Lag ki chudiya. Lag ki chudiya. What is the yes.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I just joined now. I had some network issue.
Didn't start.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, yes. Faisan. So page number 2. Lakh ki chudiya. Faisan. Chapter 2. Lakh ki chudiya. Yes. Lakh already it is solved. Lakh. LACK also got shell lakh.
I saw in the Google now.
Yes. This red like a gum.
Yes, ma'am. I also saw when I searched.
They will heat and it will melt and will shape bangle shape. That all the time it was this handmade bangle, not with the machine. We are using that bangles. Okay.
Ma'am, page number?
Page number 5.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, fine. Ma'am, I didn't have the textbook. From where can I get it from? Elsa Vincent. Elsa, just you check Google. Elsa where?
Okay, ma'am.
It's there in Amazon.
Elsa, no, she's abroad. Elsa,
Yes, ma'am.
switch on your video.
Ma'am, I don't want to.
Why? You can't?
Ma'am, I have some rashes on my face because of
has
the corona.
No, it is there. No, you switch on. It's not allowed here. No, you switch on, Elsa. Stop.
Okay, ma'am.
Corona didn't get through by Zoom. Elsa.
No, ma'am. There are some rashes.
Elsa, it is a video is compulsory here. Those who are not switch on your video. Get any
Ma'am, I
person.
have rashes on my face, red rashes. It looks
Okay,
weird.
yes, Elsa. Okay. Elsa, check Google. Just you
Okay,
type it and then NCERT part B textbook Lag ki chudiya. You type it that name, we will get.
Okay, ma'am.
You send message in the morning.
Yes, ma'am.
Just you
Ma'am, I
check.
don't know who is a group leader.
Group leader. This class already. No. You will no need a group. I think the 7th. Elsa, now itself just you search Google.
Okay, ma'am.
You'll get it. Lag ki chudiya chapter. Chapter is there.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, yes. No.
This book, right?
Aditya. Oh.
Ma'am, look at it.
Yes, Adityan. Yes. We can start. Okay. Sare gaon mein meaning village full isa. Enough. Sare gaon mein बेदलू, इसका नाम क्या है? ये मनिहार का नाम क्या है? बेदलू, बेदलू, his name was बेदलू, that was बेदलू, 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 मुझे, ये मुझे, who is that मुझे, I know, लेखक, लेखक, all Hindi writers.
Narrator.
Yeah,
Narrator.
that's narrator. They are saying their own story. Clear now? Almost all chapter like this. Lekak. Mujhe meaning that lekak.
And Gaon means village, right?
So,
Gaon means village, isn't
I
it?
will give nice to you. Wow, village. 5th standard onwards studying. Aki matra ki के बारे में पढ़े ना? Yes, गाँव village. Yes. गाँव में बेदलू मुझे सबसे अच्छा आदमी लगता था. हाँ, लेकिन सबसे अच्छा आदमी कौन दे?
Narrator.
बेदलू. लेखक को अच्छा आदमी, सबसे अच्छा आदमी कौन है? ये बेदलू. Clear now? From that village, only one person is good in that village. Who is that? Bedlu. लेखक ने कहा क्योंकि, because, what is the reason? ये लेखक that time was very small boy, छोटा, I think 3rd or 4th standard, that boy, 10 years old, not a big one, small one. Okay. क्योंकि, but वह meaning that बदलू, मुझे meaning लेखक, सुंदर सुंदर लाख की गोलियां बनाकर देता थे. Why गोलियां? Leggett can wear bangles. He's a boy. He's a boy. That's why he can wear bangles. Then Badalu. Yes, Suraja.
What is the meaning of goal?
Goliya, man. Coming. Goli. One glass type one things. No. Goli.
Marble.
In our school time, you ask to your parents also. In our school time, all boys will keep it. So many goli.
And Hindi, we also call it kanchi.
Small glass type.
With that.
What will they? Small, round shape. Goli. I don't know. It's not seen here now. Clear now? You ask to your dad.
Marble.
Ma'am, I have it.
And they will keep it and keep it down one circle and will throw.
Marble.
No, not marble. Goli. Yes. Adityan, show me. Yes, correct. Take. Adityan. This Goliya. The boys will play with that always. Not your time. You are very.
Oh, ma'am, that marble like that we hit.
There it's a very
Marble. That is
in
glass.
the toast and all that utensil play.
Already.
Ma'am, like this we hit.
Village boys, they will play. In our time, all boys, they will keep it in their pocket. Goli. You ask to your parents also. They will keep. All will play that goli. Clear? No? Correct one. Malayalam word is there. Adityan, he know that. Okay. I don't know. You heard that word.
In here it is saying Adiyasunda.
Yes, correct. Who told that?
Ayan.
Yes, Isa. Correct word. Who told? Mother told?
No, I was
They
just
have-
thinking here.
Yes, that's ideas.
What, ma'am?
Adiyasunda.
Sundar. Then Goli. Yes, that Adityan will take it up. Goliam Benakar deta tha. Ye bedalu, ye lekak ko kya benakar deta tha? Goliam benakar deta tha. Isliye that time he's thinking from that government sabse acha aadmi bedalu ko. Only he's getting different goliams. Very nice goliam, different color. Okay, that only available in the village people. They are using, not those who are staying in city. They sometimes didn't get.
Ma'am,
Yes, sir.
now I have a spoon.
Yes, my son. That is correct. Adityan went to shop buying that. My God, Adityan, where he went? My God, he went outside. My
Ma'am, I have a lot. I used to play.
that,
We
that.
do like this and then we
Yes,
do
throw.
3
throw it.
holes and then we'll play.
Yes.
Ma'am, I also used to have it, but now it's
Yes. Now you got it. No? Adityan went. My God, where he went? Oh.
Ma'am, this thing, right?
Faisan, thank. Adityan also will reach now.
Ma'am, Hessa also has it. I think everyone
Then
has it.
they Hessa.
Ma'am, I have it more than 100.
Who?
Ma'am, I
And
have a lot
we
in
get
one
to
big
buy it
box.
in shops. We'll get
Yes.
it.
Now we'll get.
Ma'am, I
Yes,
have a
in
lot in one
small
big box.
small shops,
Ah.
not like markets and all, like small shops.
Yes. Okay. Adityan. Yes. Didn't get? No problem. Okay. We got Adityan. That's all. Okay, Adityan.
Next period I will.
It's no problem. The Faisan, he's showing that. Okay, Adityan, good. Okay, good. Adityan, cut your hair. What is this? Sri Krishna ki kudmi ki tarah one thing. So okay. So continue. गोलियां बना कर देता था, इसलिए लेखक को गांव के सबसे अच्छा आदमी बेदलू लगता था. मुझे अपने मामा के गांव, ये गांव है, नोट लेखक का गांव है, उनके मामा के गांव. Mama meaning uncle. Mama ke vacation time usually we are going to mama's house, mother's house. Will you know? Sometimes usually we are going. The लेखक mother's house there in the village. अब ये मुझे अपने मामा के गांव जाने का सबसे बड़ा चाव, सबसे meaning more, चाव meaning like, यही था. That's why I am going there. Otherwise I can't go there. So I am getting so many सुंदर लाग की गोलियां, इसलिए सबसे बड़ा चाव से मैं जाता. क्लियर? जाने का सबसे चाव मीनिंग लाइक, डिजायर, यही था. जब when मैं वहां से लौटता मीनिंग रिटर्न, आफ्टर द वेकेशन विल कम बैक. लौटता मीनिंग रिटर्न. तो मेरे पास देर मीनिंग सो मेनी, देर मीनिंग सो मेनी सारी गोलियां होती है. So I will collect so many लाख की गोलियां from where? बेदलू के पास. रंग बिरंगी गोलियां, डिफरेंट कलर गोलियां, जो किसी भी बच्चे का मन मोह ले. They will attractive. It was attractive. Okay, when he reaches city, he will show, oh, I got like these things, like that, maybe only that he said. So he got lakh ki गोलियां. Next one, what is the story? ये बेदलू के बारे में कहते हैं. Okay, बेदलू के बारे में. See this picture, बेदलू? Yes or no? He's making bangles. Where he is sitting, a stool like that, bed like that. एक पेड़ के नीचे बैठते हैं. Okay, just you check. Second paragraph. वैसे तो by the way, मेरे मामा के गांव का होने के कारण मुझे बेदलू को बेदलू मामा कहना चाहिए. I am coming from city, that's why I should call बेदलू ने बेदलू मामा. That is not a rule. Usually we are calling mama, all person we will call uncle. We will call. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Auntie, uncle. Anyway, any neighbor or anyway, we will call only
Stranger
here. Yes, we'll call mama. Usually also ये बेदलू काका को लेखक ने usually calling बेदलू मामा. But what he will call? परंतु मैं उसे बेदलू मामा न कहकर पुकारता. I didn't say बेदलू मामा. मैं उसे बेदलू मामा न कहकर बेदलू काका कहा करता था. बेदलू काका. बेदलू काका, I will call बेदलू काका. Not only बेदलू काका, that is deep relation. बेदलू मामा always we are calling to all. But बेदलू काका कहकर पुकारते के कहा करते. जैसा कि just you underline. Okay, underline, it's very important also. परंतु up to here गांव के होने के कारण मुझे बेदलू को बेदलू मामा कहना चाहिए था, परंतु मैं मुझसे बेदलू मामा न कहकर बेदलू काका कह करता था। अंडरलाइन। जैसे कि व्हाट इज द रीजन, गांव के सभी बच्चे उसे बेदलू काका कहा करते थे। क्लियर नो? वन क्वेश्चन आंसर आई थिंक दैट। हाँ यस, फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन। बचपन में लेखक अपने मामा के गांव चाव से क्यों जाता था? क्यों चाहता था? हैं? ओके, क्यों चाहता था? मामा के गांव से लेखक नो रंग बिरंगी गोलियां मिलती थी। आफ्टर दैट नेक्स्ट वन, बेदलू मामा ने कहकर बेदलू काका क्यों कहता था? क्यों? गांव के सभी बच्चे उसे बेदलू काका कहकर करते थे, इसलिए। जस्ट अंडरलाइन, आई विल गिव क्वेश्चन आंसर। ओके, क्लियर नो? नाउ गांव के बच्चे उसे बेदलू काका कहकर पुकारते थे, इसलिए लेखक भी बेदलू को बेदलू काका कहकर पुकारते थे। पुकारना मीनिंग पुकारना, क्लियर नाउ?
Yes, ma'am.
लक्ष्मी, कैन यू से आंसर? लेखक ने उसे क्या कहकर पुकारते था?
Lakshmi, you're muted.
लक्ष्मी, लेखक,
Lakshmi, we can't hear you.
लेखक ने बेदलू को क्या कहकर पुकारते?
You're muted, Lakshmi.
Ma'am,
क्या कहकर पुकारते थे? बेदलू
बेदलू काका।
बेदलू काका कहकर पुकारते हैं। क्यों? क्यों? गांव के सभी बच्चे
उनको वो कहते हैं,
गांव को सभी
कहा
बच्चे
करते
कि सब बच्चे उनको वही बुलाते थे।
यस, सूरजा, नो नीड, दे विल से। ते आंसर से गांव के सारे बच्चे उसे
गांव के
सारे बच्चे, यू ट्राई टू से योर ओन सेंटेंस इन 8th स्टैंडर्ड से। गांव के सारे बच्चे, गांव के सारे बच्चे, यू थिंक योर ओन लैंग्वेज। गांव के सारे बच्चे उसे मीनिंग दैट पर्सन बेदलू, उसे बेदलू काका कहकर पुकारते थे, इसलिए लेखक भी उसे बेदलू काका कहकर पुकारते। यस, next one, you read properly the textbook. MCQ question will be there, that's why be careful. So, okay. जैसा पुकारते हैं, बेदलू का मकान, बेदलू का मकान और मनिहार का मकान, मकान मीनिंग कुछ ऊंचे पर बना था, हाइट। मकान के सामने बड़ा सा सहन था। व्हाट इज द मीनिंग सहन? आंगन, कोटियाड़। सहन मीनिंग आंगन, और आंगन अनदर वर्ड, हिंदी वर्ड आंगन, आंगन में आंगन और कोटियाड़, कोटियाड़ also। आंगन में क्या था? जिसमें एक पुराना मीनिंग ओल्ड नीम का वृक्ष लगा था। नीम का वृक्ष, नीम, व्हाट इज द मीनिंग? नीम मीनिंग नीम ट्री।
A tree.
नीम ट्री, you know, नीम ट्री।
Yes.
Yes. Yes, paper. Neem tree. It's a very English word.
Famous tree.
Which tree?
No, neem tree is
Neem tree. Usually we are using that neem tree itself. Yes. Neem ka vriksh lekha tha. Did you understand what is the neem tree? Yes. उसी के नीचे बैठकर, ये नीम पेड़ का वृक्ष के नीचे बैठकर बेदलू अपना काम किया करता था। सी दैट पिक्चर, करेक्ट पिक्चर। नीम ट्री के नीचे बैठकर अपना काम करता था। नोट, दे हैव नो वर्कशॉप, नो रूम, ओनली ओपन एयर। ही इज सिटिंग देयर एंड काम करता था। यस। बेगल में, बेगल मीनिंग पास, नियर बाय, नियर बाय। बेगल में पास, From there, just you listen that. That's some difficult word and how can make bangles. It is explained. Yes. Aditya. Huh?
For name in Malayalam, another word only.
What is that word?
Arivepu.
Vape. Yes. Okay. Different type of vape. Arivepu and vape.
Picture.
Neem cut. Yes. Begal means pass near. Batti देखती रहती burning fire. Batti देखती meaning burning fire.
That's a
Yes, you imagine when you are in goldsmith and they are using that.
Yes.
Did you remember?
To melt.
In Ala, yes. Ala. Their workshop will say in Ala. That but will keep burning fire. Always they will keep. Clear now? Did you see this? Yes.
Ma'am, bhakti is fire and dakati is burning.
Batti dekati means burning a fire. Together.
No.
Ma'am, furnace.
Yes.
Furnace.
Which one I didn't know?
What is called furnace in English?
Dekati meaning jalana, burning. Dekati.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Ankati meaning ankadi batti. Maybe one like a portly we are keeping that thing. Yes or no? Yes. Batti dekati rehti, जिसमें in this में वह लाग पिघलाया meaning melt. वह लाग पिघलाया meaning melt. He will melt बट्टी की देखती में पिघलाया करता था. क्या पिघलाया? लाख. क्लियर ना? लाख पिघलाया. अब बैंगल कैसे बनते हैं? फर्स्ट वन व्हाट विल से? लाख पिघलाया करता था. आफ्टर दैट व्हाट विल? सामने एक लकड़ी की चौखट पड़ी रहती. सामने एक लकड़ी मीनिंग वुड की चौखट मीनिंग दरवाजे का फ्रेम. दरवाजे का वन फ्रेम. दरवाजे का चौखट. ओके. व्हाट ही विल डू? पड़ी रहती थी जिसमें लाख के मुलायत होने पर. लाख मीनिंग लाख और अरिक मुलायत होने. मुलाय मीनिंग सॉफ्ट. मुलायत मीनिंग सॉफ्ट होने पर वह उसे सलाख मीनिंग अयन रोड. ഈ നൂൽ ഒരു റോഡില്ലേ? അയൺ റോഡ്. ഓക്കെ. सलाख के समान मीनिंग लाइक. पतला मीनिंग थिन. पतला करके चूड़ी का आकार देता. चूड़ी मीनिंग बैंगल. आकार मीनिंग शेप. सलाग मीनिंग आयरन रोड. He will make like that road. लाख melt कर he will make like road. Bangle shape he will make. Clear now? Yes. Okay. Yeah. चूड़ी का आकार देता. पास में near चार चख 4 और 6 विभिन्न आकार की. विभिन्न आकार में डिफरेंट शेप की. बेल ननुमा मीनिंग सिलेंडर शेप. ओके. बेल ननुमा मीनिंग सिलेंडर शेप. I will say cylinder shape. Mukheria. It's very important that word. Mukheria meaning wooden circle. रहती जो आगे. मुखेरिया वुडन सर्कल. ഈ ചപ്പാത്തി പോലെ ഇല്ലേ? Just you imagine.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Like that one stick. First, he will make a bangle shape and will keep in that lakadi mein and will make shape. Just your hands, you check it that. From here to here, different shape and different measurement.
Ma'am, in the picture it's there.
Ah, yes, picture also it is there. Ah, he's making that. Ah, yes, first picture itself, he's making. Clear, no?
Wooden stick.
Ah, so how he will make it? He will make on that wooden thing. Okay, see this our hand shape also. Here is very thin, patla. Here, mota. Sometime he will wear bangle, will reach here. Sometime will reach here. There is a different shape and a different measurement. One time he will make 4 or 5 bangles. How he will make? Which bangle will reach this edge? It will be big. Clear? So, iske upar, that's a small, big. That one here, top part will be very small bangle. Like that he will make. Clear now?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes or no? Okay. So, yes, the बेलनुमा मुखेरियाम रेगी रहती जो आगे से कुछ पतली meaning thin पीछे back what I explain now पीछे से मोटी होती है. Clear now? Here patla, here this side what is that? Mota.
Big.
Mota. Okay. This Gauri's hand measurement not suitable for Lakshmi's. This is the different measurement. Clear now? About one time he will make that different shape bangles, different measurement and a different shape bangle also. Okay. Where he
Okay,
will
ma'am.
keep on that lakadi. Yes. Next
Wooden
one.
stick.
Wooden stick. This chapati like that. Chapati both side very thin, the middle like that. Okay. लाख की चूड़ी का आकार देखकर and he will make agar meaning shape. How he will make on the wooden circle he will make shape. Agar देखकर first picture is there. देखकर वह उन्हें मुखेरियों already I told a wooden circle. मुखेरियों पर चढ़ाकर meaning kept. Goal our
Ma'am,
chikna.
chadaka meaning?
Chadaka meaning climb here, but keep. Chadna meaning to climb, but bangle can't climb. That's a keep. Okay. Yes. So Adityan got good Adityan. Yes, Goli. Oh yes, Adityan. Yes. Okay. Now you got.
My father finding.
Oh, good Adityan. Yes. Okay. Okay. So many are different. Rengu birengi goliya mila. Yes, Adityan.
Yeah, in second class we will bring that and play.
Yes. Okay. Okay, Adityan. Good. Thank you. So, मुखेरियों पर चढ़ाकर goal our चिकना meaning smooth, bentada. And he will make a correct goal shape and smooth. चिकना बनता और एक कर पूरे हाथ की चूड़ियां बना चुकने के पश्चात वह उन पर रंग करता है. After he will make shape. पश्चात meaning after. चुकने के पश्चात. After making that bangle, after he will first he will melt. After he will keep on that wooden circle. इसके बाद he will make a correct shape, bangle shape. After that, last he will give ring करता था. Ring meaning color. Okay. Ring करता था. Ring meaning color. Yes. No. Next one. इसके बाद 1 second. बेदलो एक कार्य सदा ही एक मच्छी मच्छिए meaning stool. मच्छिए पर बैठकर किया करता था. बेदलू कहाँ बैठा था? एक मच्छिए पर. मच्छिए meaning stool. क्या करता था? जो बेखुद की पुरानी था. आ मच्छिए was पुरानी. Old stool. पुरानी था. बेगल में. बेगल meaning already I told. पास near. बेगल की उसका हुक्का रेखा रखता. हुक्का रेखा meaning हुक्का a smoking thing. Cigarette के बदले use all the time. हुक्का. British also. So now Arabic people
Arabic.
they are using Arabic.
like a cup.
Yes, Faisan, no? Arabic.
Yes, ma'am. Like when
using.
we go
Yes,
to
ma'am.
Then
I have seen.
Paris and all.
yes. Outside sometimes.
Bottles in
Ma'am, in one like bottle they will.
The big
Ma'am, in some hotels also.
It
A
is
big,
called
small one or yes, small one also and a big one also. In Gulf,
we
that
don't
countries,
fight
they sometimes they are using in
Yes,
front
ma'am,
of
I
some
have seen.
shops. Yes.
Ma'am, in
yes.
all
Ma'am,
the
here
giant
there is like
movie and all.
there's a palace here, like we can
yes.
see. There will be sheikhs and all sitting and doing.
Yes, okay. Yes, I saw that one day. Then when in Dubai, I
Ma'am,
think one
hookah's meaning?
hookah, that is very smoking thing instead of
Like a bottle. Like a bottle.
not a bottle, one shape.
Like a big.
Yes, ma'am. Like
Like a trunk.
Yes, she
Like a
pipe,
Like
one pipe. Okay.
In all the movies and all.
All the time now
Ma'am,
also
that's
using.
Sherlock Holmes, the one.
Yes, that one, yes.
Yes.
Ma'am, here there is too much. There is like hookah shop itself.
Hookah shop
everywhere.
itself. Yes.
Yes,
Near
ma'am, I
the-
have went inside. I have
Ah.
went inside there.
Yes, one day my daughter also asked to my husband, Papa, can I try that when we went to Dubai? She is asking, Papa, can I try? Papa, no, you go. So only, they're using only Arabic. Okay, Faizan, they're using.
No, Indians
Ma'am,
are also
lot of
using.
people use.
Ma'am, Indian
Ma'am, some people use it
Yeah,
daily.
many people.
That's why there are shops of that everywhere.
Shops also.
In North India,
Ma'am,
Haryana, and all, so many
Ah.
people use that.
Use that.
That's very normal for people to, like 90 years old man
yes.
will also be using that.
But in Kerala, not see like this using.
Ma'am, it's
cigarette.
there. It's not like we can't see it everywhere, but if we go to Kochi and all, it's
Kochi
there.
is there. Maybe
Kochi, it's
Fort
there.
Kochi, Fort Kochi, that side. They are
Ma'am,
keeping
here it
for
is
maybe
very good
foreigners.
business. Ma'am, here it is.
Yes,
very good.
foreigner hotels, it is there.
It is there. Okay, that
Ma'am,
is.
That's fine.
some people who added drugs in that.
That is actually a drug.
not a drug. That's not commonly all are using.
A
That's
smoking pipe.
yes, that is hookah. Hookah rekha rehta. He's keeping that. Sometimes he will use.
Ma'am, they photo.
Where? Yes,
Lakshmi
Lakshmi. Yes, correct. Like that, and also big one also.
Yes, ma'am.
Big one.
photo is
Like
Yes.
flower
ah,
also
yes.
will be.
Yes, very good. Okay. So what we'll do now up to here? Hookah rehta tha. Stop it that our time finished, I think 1:40.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So up to there, all of you should read and you find out one word question also. Next class I will ask a MCQ question. So read that. I think almost all go to all
Okay,
meaning.
ma'am.
All meaning.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So read.
Ma'am,
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
ma'am, this one is also.
Yes, that also. Faisal is showing that. This one, it's big one. Different shape, different type. Yes. Okay. Good. Okay. Sir, can wind up? Okay. Say bye. Should read.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes. Bye bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you,
Bye,
ma'am.
bye. Thank you,
Bye,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Thank